Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Tuesday morning, it is the last day of June. How about that? And I think the weather on the last day of June is going to be a lot like the weather on the second to last day of June yesterday. What an incredible day as far as oppressive. Take a look at the conditions at the Montgomery Airport with 94 the high, heat index 104, and a little thunderstorm out at the airport just after lunchtime, right around 1 o'clock or just thereabouts. Today there will be more showers and storms to go around, a little bit more each day, more tomorrow, more on Thursday and Friday, and unfortunately that's going to affect the 4th of July weekend as well, which will be rather turbulent. Without any further ado, let's get into the forecast.
The setup today is almost identical to yesterday. Very moist and unstable atmosphere with dew points in the middle 70s. Boy, you add a little heat to that and an explosion of thunderstorms after lunchtime into the afternoon hours. I think we're going to see more rain on the radar than we did yesterday, and some of those could produce some tropical downpours. And each day, we're going to add more showers and storms to the radar. So the rain chances are pretty high this afternoon with a high temperature up to about 92. Good luck on your rain chances. It'll cool you down for a while. A steamy 75 tonight. Heat index 100 to 105. And as I showed you yesterday, there's going to be a little weakness in the atmosphere, a trough of low pressure, which will keep us very unsettled for several days. So showers and thunderstorms become likely Wednesday and actually go up a little higher on Thursday and probably Friday as well. So very humid, very uncomfortable with showers and thunderstorms. And again, feast or famine, some towns getting more rain than others. And the same thing on the 4th of July Saturday. That's a big day for lightning deaths, unfortunately. So be careful. A lot of folks, of course, out and about on the 4th of July. And there's the 5th of July. No change in the situation for here, the lakes, and the Gulf Coast beaches as well. And that continues on Monday. And a lot of folks are off on Monday as well. So some folks are off Friday, some folks are off Monday, some folks are off both days. Rain chances pretty high tomorrow, and we're still in the low to mid 90s, and then higher rain chances even Thursday, Friday, and they remain high over the 4th of July weekend and through the 5th of July and the 6th of July as well, with temperatures at or above 90 each day and the humidity at crazy levels. Down at the beach, the rain chances will escalate as the week goes on. Pretty high on Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It's not going to rain all the time, but watch out for lightning. Gulf water temperature now at a season high of 86. And by the way, some of the beaches could see 3 to 5 inches of rain during that period of time. That is not what beach goers want to hear on their 4th of July holiday weekend. Unfortunately, that is the situation. The National Hurricane Center is watching an area off the North Carolina coast with a 10% chance of development. This area to watch is in the general place where Dolly formed a few days ago. It'll be moving off to the northeast into the Atlantic. Meanwhile, we're looking off the African coast. The tropical depression probability from the European model shows maybe another system that could develop into a depression later on. The Gulf of Mexico seems to be quiet for the next few days, but we'll keep an eye on that. Our weather app will keep you on top of where the storms are today and where they're going to be. Plus, you get interactive push notifications for severe weather alerts if there's any alerts for your area, and also access to these videos as well. It's free in the App Store. Just search Rich Thomas Weather.
Hats off to the guy that cuts my lawn, and I just can't imagine working in that kind of heat. Even the pool guy that comes does about 20 pools a day. Just amazing to be working outside in that kind of humidity. Live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1, live on CBS 8 and ABC 32 this morning. Their morning program is called Alabama Rising. We love working with them. And then there'll be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning in the 4 o'clock hour. I say 4:45, but typically it's out a lot earlier than that. Hope you have a great day today. You'll always find my forecast across the dial on 8 radio stations, the Blue Water family of stations, twice an hour. See you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.